Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I showed you how to lap valves the easy way in the last video. Now I'm going to show you the easy way to put the keepers back on the valves with the valve spring and all that happy horse ha, you know. So, oh, by the way, this stuff, white lithium grease. Lucas makes a nice one, lasts forever in there. It doesn't get all weird and runny. Anyway, not a sponsor, by the way, Lucas. So, here's my nice new valve seal. This thing here is just like a washer for your valve spring to sit down on so it don't beat the crap out of your cast head steel. Even if it's cast iron, the valve after a while springs. They, you know, if you ever take one apart that don't use these, you can have grooves in there. Changes the geometry of the spring eventually. But today's cars, they last so long, who cares if they do. Anyway, here I'll tip the camera back. Here's my valve spring in the tool. Just a simple, picked up at Napa, had it for years, 26 bucks. Looks brand new because I take care of it. I wash it off and store it in a decent place. Anyway, so you put this on here just like that. It's fully compressed, just as tight as I can get it. Now, I use the white lithium grease to hold down this little guy right there, that little washer, see it? So I put that in place there. I like my spring to sit on there. Other guys, I see them way offset, half of it sticking out, part of the spring. How good is that going to be? Because it's going to change the angle. It's going to put a little angle there on something. Anyway, I don't put white lithium grease on the keeper itself. It ain't necessary. Here, take a little magnet, which I'm using this little guy, Matt Cole Tools, also not a sponsor. Anyway, let's get this done. I don't want to make this a 100-hour video. So you got I'll show you. You set it so it's at the bottom portion of your magnet, just like so. Focus. There he is. Well, good enough. You get the idea. Tapered side down, a little skinnier on the bottom. Get off of there. Now, watch this. Let's get this side on. Probably should have done the back one first, so you guys, sometimes you need a little finger on there to get your magnet out of there. And then when you think you got it in the groove, just try lifting up a little. Make sure, there, she's in. Close enough anyway. Now, grab your magnet again. And get it positioned like you had the other one. I hope you guys can see this okay. It's just a crappy cell phone camera. Anyway. Now, why is it out of focus? It wasn't before. Ah, my cup fell out. Should have used the grease, see? It's alright, we'll put this back one in first. Same deal. Tip the spring, make the hole in the top of your retainer a little bigger there. Then just see, put your finger on it. I think that's in. I gotta stand up and look. Yep, that one's in. Let's grab a hold of this one again. Get it repositioned on your magnet. The grease doesn't help me at all. I've used it. I mean, kind of old school. I don't really want nothing circulating around in my engine but good, clean Valvoline racing oil, 20W50, and something like this that I'm going to run the living dog piss out of. Because I like getting on them. And now, when you get this other thing in there, the other keeper, I'm pretty sure it's in. This is going to tell me if it is. You just lift up on the tool. See? Look, I can't pull that off if I was Hercules. She's in. Now we loosen this, not untighten. That's bad grammar. Hickok 45 would kill me over that. He'd be mad. Vice Grip Garage would love it. Fellers. This car is going to be my going to town rig, by the way. And I don't know if it's going to be a hot rod, but it's going to be a pretty warm stick. There. Almost done here. There. Now, squeeze the top. Get out of there. Wiggle, wiggle. There, she's out. And then I like to do this. I'll raise it up. See? Gap's just right in them. I like to tap it with my Harbor Freight Pittsburgh Dead Blow, small one. Also not a sponsor. I can't even get my video monetized. I don't really care. But I had too many gun videos on my channel before. So there's 3 of them done. There's my rest of my new. The only thing I use the white lithium on is to hold that little washer in position right there. That's it. Now this one here just skipped out on me, so see it? You don't want it like that. I'll put my valve tool back on, take some of the tension off, and I'll push that over with a screwdriver and it'll be good to go. It happens sometimes. See, you want them like this. All you see is the... Let me get a pointer. All you see is the edge all the way around there. See? That's a good one. And like this. They could be a little off. You just want that spring on it. That's it. Alright? Have a good night. I hope something here helps you in the future. You don't need to slather white lithium all over those keepers. Okay? Good night, guys. And God bless.